Hi there, this is Sonia Boko helping you to create a few new twists in your life. And by twist I mean beautiful balloon art. Today I'm going to share with you just how to make the beautiful dress design that you see on these two lovely ladies. And if you watch all the way to the end of the video, like the amazing person you are, you're going to find there's a special surprise waiting for you. Today's video tutorial is dedicated to my friend Jeff Hayes, and if you're watching, Jeff, hi, and I can't wait to see you at the next Oz Gem if and when that goes ahead. So in my previous video I shared with you how to make this beautiful balloon hair. Today's video is going to go one step further and show you how to do the rest of the design. So if you've missed the other video, make sure you check it out after this one so you can learn how to do the entire beautiful design. Are you excited? I know I am. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's get to it. Design, what you're going to need is two 6-inch hearts. I am using this beautiful lilac color by Botalix, a 360, this one is Spring Lilac by Qualitex, and then a 6-inch quick link and a 160 in the blush. After learning this design, you are also going to want to have on hand two 160s, and it could be in a color of your choice. Here I have pink by Qualitex, and if you happen to not have 6-inch hearts, do not fear, because you can actually use 5-inch rounds as well instead of. But I love the shape that the hearts give to this design. Here I'm just inflating my balloon to about the size of my palm, approximately so. And, and I'm going to go ahead to duplicate the size with my second. When you are tying it off, no need to do up the heart close to the inflated part of the balloon, because we are going to give it a squish and twist in two. So if you do it too tight, if you do it and it's not quite soft, it might pop when you try and do the twist. I'm just going to pop this one here while I twist this. Now let's bring it all together. You should have something that looks a bit like this. Let's go ahead to create the bodice now of our design, and that's taking your 360 and inflate. Here I am using complementary purples, even though they are from different brands. But it also looks beautiful if you do a mixture of colours. Just make sure that you have at least 40 or so centimetres that you're working with. I'm going to start off by twisting off a bubble that's about as long as it is wide, approximately 3 inches. So I'm going to do a pinch twist. Make sure that knot is on the opposite side of your pinch twist and not caught up in the middle there. Followed by another 3-inch bubble. Now we're going to pinch twist. These should be about the same size. Twisting another bubble about the same size as our first one, and then I'm just going to roll that into our pinch twist. Now I am wanting to remove the excess, however when I do so I want to have a reasonably long bit of uninflated balloon to work with. You might like to use your cutter or scissors just to remove it at the point after the inflated bit. Bring it together, and taking and pulling all the way over to the other side, wrapping it in, and then you're going to want to pass it back under. And I'm just going to take that uninflated end there and conceal it somewhere within. And this is what we're now looking at. I like to position this bodice so it's sitting on top in a way in which you can see 3 of those heart lobes, because it really helps to accentuate that there is something special about that dress. However, you can position it in whatever way you like. Taking next our 6-inch round. I'm inflating it to just a bit over the size of my palm, and then I'm going to tie it off. Now what I'm going to do is take the nozzle and I'm going to feed it in through the center of the bodice and pass it through to the opposite side underneath, and then find it with my fingers and pull it through and just wrap it a bit more into the skirt. So in we go. And it should just sit in there nicely. Alright, next we are going to take our 160 in the blush to create the legs and arms. I'm just going to generously inflate that. I've got about 1.5 inches or so of uninflated balloon. Taking it, I'm going to twist a bubble that's the length of my forearm. Just as a bit of a guide, why not use yours? So now, just taking those legs, we're going to create some ankles, folding the balloon over onto itself, give it a bit of a squish. Then when you position them, we've got our legs with the feet pointing inwards, and we are going to introduce that now into the body. I like to take the nozzle end as well as the inflated end and attach them separately. And I am going to save this for a moment. Securing both ends into the skirt of our doll. And now we're going to move on to the arms. I am grabbing the knot and I am going to ensure that's on the opposite side of my twist from the sleeve. Just to help ensure that's in there nice and tight. With these arms, I'm just going to make them short and sweet. So that's about 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Replicating that size. Twist off the bubble. Bringing it over the other side. Now you can try, put a little shaping in there, bending and giving a squeeze to help create some elbows, but I don't think they're strictly necessary. It looks cute with or without them. What I'm going to do is now remove the excess, tie it off and secure it into my design. So I am going to go ahead now to just add in the hair. However, if you want to learn how to do the hair by itself, I have that video waiting just for you. So make sure that you give it a watch, and I hope you are enjoying this one. And let's just see me work it through.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have
And there we have it, the finished balloon design. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and until next time, stay twisted, my friends, and I will see you in the next video. To do this, I'm going to attach one by making sure I've got to grab doing these arms. I'm just going to do short and sweet. Oh, that's not cool. So I've just thrown in a replacement, and you wouldn't even know any different, would you? That was not lame enough. I apologise, and more lame ones coming your way. But anyway, now I'm just going to go and that just looks really surreal on camera. Let's see what that looks like in everything. So here's this idea just for you because you kept watching. You and everyone else who kept watching. Anyway.
Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch.
And so thank you for watching all the way to the end, and your special reward is, now you know that a large inflated heart makes a beautiful substitute for the legs of the doll, and it makes it look like an amazing ball gown.